Hi, I'm Laura, owner of Shey Wellness Clinic. I'm a massage therapist, nutritionist, and yoga instructor. Today I want to talk about vitamin C. This is a vitamin that your body cannot produce, so it's an essential vitamin. It is a water-soluble vitamin and found in foods like oranges, kiwis, broccoli, and kale. So during periods of high stress or illness, you should supplement with higher doses of this vitamin. It is a powerful antioxidant that can help support and strengthen your immune system. And just to explain, antioxidants are molecules that protect your cells from free radicals. So free radical accumulation means oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases. Increasing your antioxidant levels will help with the free radicals as well as help your body deal with general inflammation. There have been studies that show that vitamin C can help relax blood vessels, which helps lower blood pressure. It also helps lower bad cholesterol and blood triglycerides, both things that can lead to consequential cardiovascular issues. Vitamin C can lower uric acid levels in the body, so this is beneficial for anyone suffering from gout. It also helps with iron absorption. So meat-free iron sources can be difficult for the body to absorb, so adding vitamin C into your diet can help with the absorption of plant-based iron and therefore reduce the risk of iron deficiency. As said before, it helps your immune system as it supports the proper function of your white blood cells and strengthens your first line of defense, so your skin. I also want to make a note that you can take high doses of vitamin C when you are feeling under the weather or are very stressed, but to take note, there is a limit. So this is called reaching your bowel tolerance. When you have reached this limit, you will have diarrhea. Like, your body will let you know when you've reached the limit. So just ease into it, okay? If you want to learn more about your health, I offer online nutritional consultations and would be happy to work with you. Also, please send me any comments or feedback you may have. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks.